Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase the volume of your laptop speakers on Windows 11. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly increase the volume of your laptop speaker here, well, this one is kind of tricky here. Now, by default, if you go to the bottom right of your screen, you should see the speakers option here. So if you click on it, you'll have the option to change the actual volume. Now, the thing with this one is, these are just your default values. So, meaning this is how much or the maximum volume that your speaker could go. But the thing with this one is, we also have what we call the uh volume of each app. So sometimes it may be set to just 50, and that's why certain sounds or certain apps or certain browsers only is quite low, but you already max it out. So what you need to do is you want to go and just exit this page. Just right click on the speaker. So again, let's go and close this one. Right click on it, and you want to go and choose open volume speaker mixer. Now in here you want to make sure that your volumes are set to 100 each of them. But in this case, once you've done that, you could go ahead and basically start using it and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so I'm just updated this. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, so in this case, the next thing that you want to do is, or you may want to do here, is you may want to go back to your sounds here. So just click on sound and just scroll down to the very bottom until you see the section for more sound settings. Let's go and choose this one. Now, you want to go and just choose your current speaker. So it depends on what speaker you currently are using right now. So in my case, like for example, I have this headphones here or your laptop speaker. Go and choose that one. But you want to go and just double click on it, and you want to go ahead and just go to enhancements, and you want to make sure that the disable all enhancements is actually or doesn't have any check on it. So it's disabled by default, doesn't have any check on it. And you may want to use the loud equalization here as well. You can even use the bass boost here if you want, and headphone virtualization if you want, but just bass boost and loudness equalization is enough. But you can go and just click on preview, click on apply, okay, and you should be good. And also, if you go to or go back to your sound settings here and go to sounds, you should be able to test a few things here if you want to play Windows Startup Sound here. If you want to test a few things, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.